it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. Thank y'all so much for dropping in on this video. This is Sunday's Coffee and Collage. We are May 31 today. I'm actually filming on the day that I need to upload, which is unusual for me, but just got busy yesterday. So let's get into this. I try to keep these 15 minutes or so. This series is just meant to keep me on track with practicing my collage, and because I didn't like it, didn't think I was good at it, but now I am enjoying it. Yeah, I really am enjoying it. I got a few pieces here. This is from Happy Mail, a 1926 diary entry. Not sure that we will use this. I did want to use these though. These are some guest checks. I posted this link. This is an Amazon link. Posted this link in my community tab, and a few of you guys went out and got them. They're interesting because they're this green color and a creamy background. So I just love the look of them. I think we'll put this down. I think we will. Let's try it. I am, one of the things I'm learning about collage, and it's very similar to the way I make fabric clusters, is don't think about it. The less you think about it, the better off you're going to be. Put it down. And then my friend Laura, the half-ass crafter, tells me, if you're not satisfied with the way your collage looks, keep layering on top of it. And she was right. She was absolutely right. I'm not joking. The dangest thing I've ever seen. I think I'm going to cut a little bit off of this. A little bit off this top. These are just pieces I had in my stash. And, you know, whether it was die cut or whatever. And I was doing some die cuts earlier. So I was putting some things away. And I came across these little banners that I had. And this color combo, and it just kind of all came together. And I said, well, you know what? This is a little bit of a different look. Let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do. I hope y'all are doing well. We may use that little 005. I liked him. I came across him too. See, he came in Happy Mail too, but I think I might use him kind of as the focal point. Oh, I feel bad because I'm cutting him, but I mean, we'll use it. It's okay. It's going to be okay. We had a fantastic Saturday coffee clutch. Y'all, it was so fun. And if you don't know what I'm referring to, every Saturday, I really like this. Every Saturday, I do a live stream, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. And it is really and truly coffee and crafting, but just with a little bit of crafting. We don't do much crafting, but we have fun. Group of us are in there. The chat is going 90-0. My moderators are fantastic. Shout out to Teresa DeFredos, Susan at I Totally Love It, and Junk Journal Joanne for being so supportive, being fantastic moderators. It just keeps growing and growing. We did a giveaway yesterday. I got that ready to mail off. I'm telling you guys, I'm just having a fantastic time with this whole concept. I just can't get over it, truly. I just cannot get over it. I'm wondering if we should do something like, I don't like covering up the red. Does that make me weird? Y'all already know I'm weird. I don't mind this. Okay, we'll do it like this. This is Happy Mail. Hoarding it. I bet you I've hoarded this for 3 years. Yeah, it's time to use it, folks. Let's use our stuff. And this way, and these little books, I get these little books, if you're wondering, at Hobby Lobby, $1.99. I used to do a double page spread, and it was frustrating me. It was intimidating. So if you are practicing your collage like I am, and you're getting frustrated, try something smaller. I don't care how small it is. Do a Rolodex card. Just go smaller and start from that, you know? Let's see. I I've die cut these numbers. I die cut a bunch of these numbers recently. Well, I'll say recently, yesterday. That's what I did. And I thought since today was the 31st, we may... I don't mind it. I'm not hating it. I don't know if I exactly love it. A die cut. I've got a Tim Holtz set of these die cuts. And every now and again, I will sit and do a mass make of these too. What do we think? I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to have to cut some of the flower off, which is fine. But yes, and usually when I die cut these Tim Holtz ones, I do a solid color, and I usually do them black. And I have, look, I'll show you right here. I have tan or kind of a, I don't know, taupey color and silver. And since I don't use those colors a lot, they last me a very long time. So I'll link the die cuts if you're interested in seeing what kind, what it is. And these numbers right here, these are cool. I have that as a die cut too. And those are much cheaper than the Tim Holtz ones. But I always tell y'all that. I'll link the products that you're seeing here. But if you find them cheaper, go get them cheaper, right? See, I can't do two things at one time. If you find them cheaper, go get them cheaper. Just use my link as the description, right? Just go see, the dimensions or the colors or whatever it is. Just use it like that. I don't care, y'all. I mean, I'm here to be supportive. I'm not really, y'all know this about me already. If you know me, I'm not really a seller. It's not my deal. Where did I have this at? I already forgot. Dang it. I already forgot. Did I do it like this? That's how we're going to do it. Oh my God. Anyway, see how fun, if you just don't think about it, if you just kind of situate things, put things down, let things fall where they may. Oh, I need to. See what a departure this. I'm going to show you the other ones if you haven't been here before. I'll show you the other ones. Okay, we're going to use this. I got this little die cut in Happy Mail too from my friend Carol at A Crinkled Path. I sure did. That was a long time ago too. I love it. See, I think I'm going to save these back. And I was going to use some of this. This is the 1926 journal entries. This came in Happy Mail. I'm going to save that. But what if... Hold on. Maybe we do one more thing. Let's see. Let's try this. I'm telling you, this video is going to be, hopefully, short. We'll get this uploaded and play. Do some playing today. I didn't get to play a lot yesterday, and that kind of... I need my playtime. You know what I mean? I need my creating time and my playtime. And I was doing something else that was wonderful. I'm not complaining. Just saying, today is play day. I want something right here. Hold on. Let's see. I do. I want something right there. Oh, let's do that because today is 5/31, last day of May. Let's commemorate it. And I'll sign the top too. And then that way, in this book, one of the purposes too, or one of the good things about this book right here, is that I can, if I wanted to, I could take each one of these and tear them off at the perforation and send them in Happy Mail or give them as a giveaway. I don't know, something. You know what I mean? So we will go ahead and put the date since we always do that anyway. That's it. I mean, tell me what you guys think. Like I said, it's a little bit of a departure. Got a lot going on in it. But I don't mind it. I kind of don't mind it. I'm thinking to cut those individually out and just kind of put them down here, but I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave it alone. I think we're good. Guys, I hope that if you are intimidated by collage, if you are like me and you don't think you're very good at collage, this is what I told myself. I knew that unless I practiced collage, I would not get good at it. And the only way, because I kept telling myself, go practice your collage, and I never would do it. I'd do other things because I didn't like it. But I knew if I committed to doing this video with you guys, that it would force me to practice my collage once a week. And even this once a week activity has really helped me. Okay. I'm not saying I've gotten better at it. What I'm saying is it has helped me to see collage differently and to enjoy my collage time because I get to share it with you. So if you are like me and you don't feel like you're good at collage with me on Sundays. I do it every Sunday. I'll upload this video at some point on Sundays. Watch the video, pull you a sheet of paper out, make it simple. You don't have to do the exact same colors. You don't have to do the exact same things. Get you a few pieces together. Nobody's going to see it. You don't have to show it to anybody. I have to show this to y'all, and I'm okay with that. But on your side, you don't have to show it to anybody if you don't want to, but practice with me. And I'm telling you, I think it makes a huge difference. Okay, I'm going to leave it there today. I'm off my soapbox. Thank you all so very much for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I am having sharing my collage practice with you guys. Thanks, and we'll chat soon. Bye.